different markets. Right now it shows you that we're live and green in the Sydney market. Coming up soon is Tokyo. About to open in a few minutes is Tokyo. Later London and New York. And you see that the little factory is yellow. So low impact, not much volatility. And as that moves through, you'll see that changing as Tokyo comes in. So check that meter for the high impact, the highest volatility times. When that baby is red, that's the best time to trade. Now I can tell you simply that the best time to trade are always London and New York. And the ideal time is when they're both open together. So from here over to here. When London and New York are open together until London closes, that's the ideal. Most volatility, most volume. All your indicators are operating at their best because market conditions are wide open. Now you can see also at the end, and I've done this, the end of Tokyo, beginning of London, and the Frankfurt market opens up here as well. You also have a little window, which is not going to be as big an impact zone as London, New York together, but not a bad trading zone. I'm on the West Coast, and that means for me, from 10 p.m. till about midnight, just as London is opening, there's a pretty decent trading time in there as well. So hopefully that answered your question on that one, Lyle. Chris, what Chris is saying, you're welcome, Lyle, no problem. Chris's question, when trading the 15 or 30 minute, do you trade manually or set the stop loss and profit point indicated by Rubicon? Simple answer. If you've done your homework, Chris, and you feel good about your drill down, that you're with the move, you're with the prevailing trend, by all means, you can set your take profit and point and your stop loss, and maybe you need to go away. Just walk away from your computer, let it unfold. As a trader, someone who trades all the time, I like to keep an eye on the trade. I like to see what's happening because I may have more than 1 or 2 trades left open. However, good point and an important point, with Rubicon, you always have the option of setting, let me go back in here. Bring this back up again. I want to put in 6, 23, 2100. Oh, sorry, I put it in wrong. Trying to hurry. Oh, what did I do wrong? 6. Oh, did it wrong way around. Sorry. Did the American thing. 23rd of June. 23/6. 1945. Click. There we go. So let's assume for a second, Chris, that you're trading in this zone here. You get a signal, you wait around for half an hour, and then you need to leave for some reason. But you like the look of the signal. You've done your homework. You know you're with the trend. It's 0:45 a.m. So you simply open up your trade station and put in pending order. Put in your, in this case would be a sell stop. Put in your price and then put in your stop loss and your take profit. So you certainly, but absolutely can do that. But guys, you know, please don't get lazy as traders. That's the worst thing that can happen. Do the homework. It's an indicator. You know, we're not saying this is the manna from heaven. This is the Holy Grail. It's not. It's a really, really efficient and good indicator. That I can tell you. I know for sure it is that. But let's be real. Let's be traders. You know, do the homework. Learn how to trade, guys, and you'll do extremely well. Hopefully that answers your question, Chris. Again, before I go, guys, I want to show you a couple of very important things. I was a little late getting to the computer, so I didn't have everything ready to go. And again, my apologies on that one. I had some personal stuff that just cut into my normal time for getting to the computer. Let me show you this though before we go. All of the resources that we have open to us. Trader's Edge Forex. Those of you who are using the TEF indicator or are students of ours, you can go to www.tradersedgeproducts.com/students and look at the old webinars for the TEF indicator. If you're using Rubicon, please don't go back there because I don't want you getting confused. That's for our students. If you need information on any of our webinars or you lose your information, just send us an email to webinar@tradersedgeforex.com and we'll send you out the current links for the monthly. We tend to do it a month at a time, all the links for the current month, and we'll update that monthly. Those of you trading with or without brokers or want to use brokers that we feel are consistent with our indicator, drop us an email to broker@tradersedgeforex.com and we send you links to any of our brokers we like and have tested and use: FXCM, FX Solution, FXDD, Forex.com, and Alpari. We're not telling you to use one. We're telling you we use any and all of those. They're all compatible with Rubicon. We'll send you the links if you send us an email. Our auto alert system is available for a $1 5-day trial at forexautoalerts.com. Those of you who want assistance with trading, coaching, mentoring, send me an email to foConnor@tradersedgeforex.com and I'll send you information on our basic coaching packages and indeed also our advanced coaching packages for those of you who are advanced. If you want to follow me on Twitter, my handle is Frank O'Connor FX. Frank O'Connor FX. For those of you who want money management built in to your trading, our good friend Paul Watson put together a really, really good and strong trading tool. Not ours, but we highly recommend it because he made it compatible with Rubicon, called the Forex Pro Toolkit. Again, back to Chris's point about walking away from your computer, Paul's toolkit will give you all sorts of ancillary ways of managing those trades. If you are interested in that, it's available at our website, tradersedgeforex.com. Please put in the coupon code TEF, which all of our members are entitled to do, and you'll get a discount there. It's also available, some of Paul's information, on our blog. And our instructional videos are available on our blog. Let me bring that up for you guys. Rubicon Indicator, blogspot.com. Your members area. Let me show you what that looks like. Please go here. Lots of good resources here. I'll bring it up for you right now. Here's the Rubicon Indicator. First thing you see is a little video showing the results for June 21. There'll be one going in for June 22 later tonight. There's the video on the Pro Toolkit, Paul's, and how it can be used with Rubicon. And then also below that, the previous webinar, as you can see, June the 16th, broken down into the different parts. Parts 1, 2, 3, and 4. And all available there on our blog. So to get to the blog, please take a note of this, guys. You're entitled to be there as members. RubiconIndicator.blogspot.com. RubiconIndicator.blogspot.com. If you want to follow me on Facebook, my handle there is Francis P. O'Connor. My full name, Francis P. O'Connor. And then finally, you all know this, but if you have friends who want to purchase the Rubicon Indicator, it's available at RubiconIndicator.com. Okay, I'll leave all that up just for a few moments. It's a lot of information there, but it's all resources that are open and available to you guys as members of the Rubicon community. I want to make sure you have availability to all of that. Most important thing is that Rubicon Indicator, blogspot.com. Now, Kenneth, if you would do the following. Kenneth lost his PDF. Go back to the Rubicon blogspot.com. And on the bottom there, there is a, oh, sorry, bear with me, Kenneth. On the bottom, don't forget, guys, everybody, please subscribe to the post right down here on the bottom. If you want to see older posts, just click there as well. There should be a space here for putting in a ticket. Where is that? My web guy must have moved things around. Gosh, where is it now? Just send me an email, Ken. I'm probably missing it as I look at it. Or just put in an email address here. Oh, it's showing up as an older. Oh, okay. Thank you, Paul. So if I go to older posts, guys, thank you, Paul. On the older posts, you also see how to install the Rubicon Indicator. That basic lesson on trading the Rubicon Indicator is in there also. On the older posts, guys. Okay. Thank you, Paul, for pointing that out. I thought there was a place for sending a... Yeah, you know what? Just send me an email. I'll take care of it. Kenneth, yeah, we can get it. We can get you the PDF. No problem. Just send me an email. Anyway, you can see, guys, Rubicon Indicator, blogspot.com. Very important. Lots of information there. If you feel unsure, please go back and go to the older posts and go through the Rubicon basics first, trading with the Rubicon Indicator. Then come back up to the newer posts and take a look at some of the newer blogs as well, including last week's webinar on June the 16th. The whole webinar is there, as indeed is the Rubicon Results webinar and Paul's Forex Pro Toolkit. Okay. Breathe, Frank. I think we've covered quite a bit today. Any final thoughts, guys? And again, my apologies for being late. That will rarely happen with me, but it did happen today, so I owe you guys an apology. Hopefully anybody that signed in and left will come back and get hold of this webinar on the blog. Well, this webinar will be up on the blog probably within 24 hours or so. Certainly within 48, we'll get it up on the blog and make it available for everybody to come back and review. Okay, guys. In the meantime, have a great trading week out there. Stay positive. Do the homework. Do the drill down, guys, and you'll be fine. And I mean, have a great weekend also, traders. Very important as traders to take a deep breath at the weekend. As we say in Ireland, go to the pub and have a little beer with your friends. Chill out a little bit so that we're fresh coming back into the market next week. And I will see everybody next Tuesday and or Thursday, or both of those. Our TEF Fundamental and Technical webinar is on Tuesday, and our Rubicon Indicator webinar every Thursday. Will do. Thanks again, everybody. Thanks, Elsie, Nell, Kenneth, Paul, Chris, Lyle. Good questions. Thank you. Paul, yeah, thanks for all the questions as well, guys. The questions help a lot, so thank you for putting them in there. My email again, let me bring that up, sorry. My email is FOConnor, FOCONNOR, at tradersedge4x.com. I'll leave it up there for a second, Lyle, so you can see it. FOConnor at tradersedge4x.com. And again, if anybody has questions on coaching, drop me an email there also. I'll get the actual ticket for the ticket address. If you need to submit a ticket, I'll make sure I have that for you next week and make sure it's included here in the information section. Okay, you got it. Okay, guys, over and out from Petaluma, sunny California, US of A. I'll see you all next week, guys. Bye-bye.